All right, here we go. Getting ready for the no winter maintenance gravel ride. Bags are packed down here. That's everything we're taking. So that is my big under saddle bag for day 2 that I'll ride back to the car with after the Airbnb overnight. And the rest is just my shoes, my helmet, snacks, water bottles, all that kind of stuff. And then the bike out here, that one, about to take her down, make sure her tires are pumped, everything is tuned and ready to go. And yeah, we're about to go load the car and head over to meet the guys, and we're all driving up together. This is awesome. This is the backyard of our Airbnb. We got twinkle lights in the trees here. There's some chairs over there by the creek. Look at this. Super cool. We had a beautiful sunset as we drove in. So this will be good. Friday night, we're in Kimberley at the Airbnb. So far, so good. Haven't ridden the bike yet. Body feels great right now. And yeah, this looks awesome. Okay, Saturday morning. We're up, we're dressed, we're ready to go. We've got the leg warmers on, the long sleeves. I do have a coat here, which is a rain jacket, but I think it'll be a wind chill today. Real feel is currently, I think, 2 degrees in Kimberley. So we have an hour drive to Orangeville before we actually start riding. So it'll be a little bit warmer by the time we start, but windy and I think quite cold. So prepping, got gloves as well. Helmet, gloves, some sunscreen to put on my nose. That's everything I'm carrying today, the water pack. And there's 2 water bottles on the bike. And then this is staying here because we're riding back here. And that is just like a change of clothes, some slides, and the rest of my food and stuff for tomorrow to ride back to the car. So here we go. Off to make sure everything is packed on the car and over to Orangeville to start the ride. Yeah. Bikes are loaded up. Do we have the right stuff with us? Who knows? We're gonna find out. Yeah, we have stuff. Course found. Here we go. Made an interesting little choice at the beginning. Garmin took us the wrong way, but now we have found the no winter maintenance sign and we're on our way and we've warmed up a bit.
That's an old fashioned.
Heck yeah.
Look at you, old school, eh? Mate, that is the best for this. Look, it's not even damaged.
Yeah, beautiful. Huh.
I'm a Boston cream drive. That's too dangerous out here.
This is lunch break. Things are taking a bit longer than we anticipated. So lunch is Snickers or cookie. Or yeah, refill the bottles and everything, and we're gonna keep moving to go get pizza.
Oh yeah.
That's the goal, right?
Just is.
Yeah. The Snickers is just to get to the pizza. Back on the road. Sunday morning, feeling pretty good. Made a whole bunch of Kodiak pancakes for us for breakfast. I've got some more in my bag to snack on through the day. There is the bike loaded up. Never ridden with the big under saddlebag like that before. So hopefully it doesn't throw off the feeling of the bike too much. I think it probably will, but it is what it is. We got to carry our stuff. Yeah, the 2 water bottles, the Camelback, and I think it's about 70-ish K to lunch. So hopefully I can stay fueled a bit better today. Lunch came a bit too late yesterday, and I was hurting. But the sun's out, and the biggest thing is we're gonna have a tailwind all day today. Yesterday we had a headwind all day, but we're going back where we came from. Dave's Garmin said that we had, I think, an 81% headwind yesterday, and it was gusting 50 kilometers an hour. So today, hopefully that's behind us, and it'll be a much smoother ride. So saying goodbye to the Airbnb. It was a great spot we had here. The hot tub last night over there was great. We didn't even sit out here. It was too cold. A little stream down that way. Anyways, yeah, we'll hit the road in a few minutes here. Holy shit. There it is. Oh, that was only 13%. Oh my God, it doesn't stop. Holy cow. I don't want to burn myself out for this.